Okay, hello, this is lesson 10 in programming using the language Objective-C on Macintosh operating system, and this is Rani Ahmed with you. In this lesson I'm going to talk about the usage of nested loops. Nested loops is like when I have usually you have a for loop and there is another for loop inside it, okay, written inside that for loop. Okay, and you can have maybe a while with a for loop inside it. You can have a mix, okay, like a do while and a while inside each other. You can do all this mix, but I'm going to concentrate here now only on the for loop because it's the mostly used, as far as I see it, the most used nested for loop. Okay, so this is the example. Now I'm going to draw a square, not a true drawing. It's just like I'm going to rearrange and print the stars, the asterisk, okay, as rows and columns, okay, and this example will show you how. Now I must start with for int I assigned as 0, and then from I equals to 0 that I less than or equal 10. This means I have like 11 stars, okay. Then here I'm saying I plus plus, then I made a new line for it, okay, and then I'm writing another for. Now this time I'm not using the I because I counts for the external for loop. The internal for loop will be counted through j, okay. That does not mean that I have to stick with the letters I and j, but they are mostly used like in math x and y to count, okay. It's just almost like a convention, okay. So this is for I from 0 till 9. Now we'll see why, okay, because if I want to just print, okay, see, I'm going to print within this internal for, okay, it will be writing and printing stars next to each other. But if I want to, when I finish when I finish this for loop, okay, in one step of the external for loop, okay, if I don't put this, okay, if I don't put this like without the /n, just to make a new line, okay, if it doesn't see a new line, it means that everything will be written on one line, okay. It won't tell you that there has been a breaking point, okay, a full stop. Then you can start from the next line where you can say, oh, this is a new row, okay. So here's the run, okay. See, everything, every time I'm getting a new line, okay. If I just remove this, anyways, if I remove the /n, okay, every row written here will be written next to it, so everything will be on the same line, okay. You just try it just to understand it. Now the next example is I want to show you what's the effects of the changing in the conditions and things like this. So now what I did do here is I made like the counting in the opposite way, and I made it like smaller, okay, and I made it like according to the value of I, okay. So j stops according to the current value of I. So if I just run this, Okay, see, it will be like a triangle from the from base to its head. Okay, now let's go back to the other code where you start from the opposite way around, so from 0 till I, okay, where j is from 0 till the current position of I, so, or the current value of I. So this is running it. It will give you the same line, same triangle in the opposite way. Okay, so this concludes our session. I hope you like it. This is very important when when we reach arrays, and it will be helpful for us when we do some kind of matrix operations. Okay, matrix addition and matrix multiplication and things like that, because things are in rows and columns. Okay, you can consider the I as the rows and the j, or the I as the column and the j as the row, whatever. Okay, either way, it doesn't matter. However, it's just like you're presenting things through rows and columns. Okay, so I hope you liked it. Please subscribe using your own YouTube account, okay, so you can follow my updates, okay, on Objective-C, and please put your comments. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.